Hey everyone, it's Andrew Hoagie, your fashion and lifestyle expert in Bellevue. If you are looking for a one-stop destination for all of your styling, beauty, and tailoring needs, then look no further than Nordstrom. Today, I'm giving you an inside look at the newly renovated Nordstrom Bellevue, which has been a fixture in the community since 1958. The legendary department store has introduced designer shops from some of the world's most coveted brands. In true Nordstrom fashion, every detail of the remodel has been carefully thought out, including a single surface floor plan and fresh, clean surfaces that offer shoppers a new sense of discovery, whether you live in Bellevue or are just visiting. One of my favorite spots is the Personal Styling Lounge, where I worked with their team to make my wardrobe summer ready. When I arrived, there were multiple outfits to choose from, inspired by my personal style while incorporating the latest seasonal trends. The looks were perfect for boating in Maidenbower Bay, wine tasting in Woodinville, or a daytime stroll through the Bellevue Botanical Gardens. There are even accessories and footwear to choose from. Derek, thank you so much for having me in.
Absolutely, my pleasure. So we just have a couple of suit options. I just went with some standard looks. As you see, most of the looks are kind of monotone neutrals.
Can you tell me a little bit about the process, like how that translated, what I sent you translated into these pieces?
Yeah. So, after knowing what you needed the pieces for and, going through your social media account, I kind of curated these looks to kind of to fit you and your aesthetic.
All right, Derek, I love this. It's like you went into my head and found my perfect wine tasting outfit.
Yeah, this looks really good on you. Everything fits really, really well. Looks like you're made for a chateau. By the way, alterations are available on site, which is handy if you are 6'6" like me. Of course, I had to stop by the brand new Beauty Haven, which offers 68 unique services, from manicures by London Town to blowouts at Dry Bar, making it the perfect spot to get ready for a night on the town. Thank you for joining me on this episode of The View. See you next time.